Hey there, it's Mina, the Black Car Babe, coming to you from Williams Gate Porta Potty. I'll spare you the gory details. These babies here, you see that I'm pointing right here, these porta potties are lifesavers for rideshare drivers because they come with free parking. You turn around here, behind me are the tennis courts here on 96th Street in Riverside Park. And if I turn around a little bit more, you see some gentlemen, some fellow rideshare drivers waiting to use the bathroom. That's why I didn't stay into the porta potty I didn't stay very long. But it also comes with free parking. And parking is a precious commodity here in New York City. New York City, it's very difficult to seamlessly go to the bathroom when you need to because there's so much traffic, there's so many cars. And if you drive a huge truck like I do, finding parking to safely park your car without the worry of having it being towed or ticketed or both or even booted, it's a pretty sticky situation. But what happens when you don't have any other recourse, when you don't have access to bathroom? What do you do? Especially as a female driver. I'm going to show you how you can go to the bathroom when you have no other recourse. And it involves using your car. So I'm going to get back into my car now because I'm getting soaked. Cheers. Okay, I'm not going to do a live demo, but this is something that you do when you find a place where you can park your car safely, quick, so that you can do what you have to do quickly without the worry of being ticketed, towed, whatever. I mean, I've done this in a parking lot where there was just no porta potties and I was waiting for a job and I had to go to the bathroom. I've done it, what I'm going to show you now. I'm not going to do a live demo. The focus of this video is what do you do when you really need to go and you're about to burst. Your bladder's about to burst. I'm going to show you what I do, okay? I do it in the car. No, I don't do it on the carpet. But I'm going to show you some tricks, some tips and tricks, some driver hacks that I've learned along the way. I've heard other drivers do. And I've also picked up some great tips from Jordan Jordan Page. She's got a productivity boot camp. She also got a budget boot camp, and she's a mama, and she has 5 kids, and she has a 6th one on the way. So she knows about bathrooms, and I'm going to talk about that as well. Okay. So what you need, all right, and I'm not doing a live demo, right? You need a plastic bag, some form of old rags. I did this not too long ago. Drivers are always carrying rags to wipe down the car, to dust, to make sure everything is nice and clean. When you gotta go, you gotta go. These rags are not expensive. What I did was, look, I had a little garbage bag. I took a rag, I took a second rag, and I went to the back, okay? The thing about the car here, you could see, the back, see, well in here you don't see, but from outside, you see that the windows are tinted. Why don't we go outside so you can see this? So we're gonna step out of the car, all right? So you see here you have a regular window. Here's a tinted window. You really cannot see inside. See this? The back windows are tinted. The back is tinted. Like so. You see my reflection. But you can see in comparison, I don't know if you can see here. You see inside here, but you can't see inside there. You see my reflection. You see inside front part here. And that's the key thing here, okay? Might as well just, you go back here. This is what you're going to do. I just stepped on the car. So we're in the back, okay? We're in the back of my car, all right? And look, I'm doing this with all respect because as a driver, and I've spoken to other drivers, like I had a female driver tell me that she's had so many UTIs because she just drives and works and she doesn't use the bathroom. But when you have to go, I don't want you to wreck your bladder or wreck your kidneys because you need to make money. But you have to go, you have to go. So you're in the back here, especially here in this truck. So what you can do here, look, you have the seat here. And even though you can see outside, people cannot see inside. So I'm going to flip this chair here and I'm going to pull this back here. Look at it. So you flip the chair up like this, and you have a space here to pretty much do what you need to do. You put the rags in the bag. You have the rags in the bag, and you position yourself adequately, and then what happens here, you just pee into the rags, and the rags take up all the moisture, and this part stays clean. The idea that I got from Jordan Cheap, oh my god, I'm gonna get that correctly, Fun and Free, is that, ouch, she has kids, okay, and she drives a huge minivan. She has 5 kids, and she says sometimes they're driving and there's no way, where they can stop for a bathroom. She carries diapers. She said number 5 diapers, but I would believe any diapers would do. If you go to the 99-cent store, you're gonna find diapers, you're gonna find adult diapers. I'm not saying that you wear them. I'm saying that always carry plastic bags in your car, extra rags, or carry those diapers, because then you can just line the bag with diapers and you just pee into that, and the diaper is going to absorb that, and you're not going to have a mess, okay? I know this might be of a sensitive nature, it might be of a funny nature, but really, look at all these drivers here waiting for their jobs. I'm about to go into LaGuardia to the airport queue. The good thing about LaGuardia is that they do have porta potties, but you're a hop, skip, and run away from the terminal. You can go use the bathrooms there, especially if you're a lady. The bathrooms are clean. They always keep it clean, and that's the advantage. But if you're in the middle of nowhere, okay, and you don't know, and you really got to go, and you're about to burst, this is a hack that you can do. I usually go to 96th Street on Riverside Drive. There's a park there, there's a rest area, and pretty much the majority of drivers go there. They can park their car, they can rest, and their porta potties are the cleanest there because they're by the tennis courts. But even though that area can get filled up and you don't know where to go, you have to find a safe place to park. Along the West Side Highway going up north, there are some emergency stop areas that you can pull in and do what you need to do to go to the bathroom. If you found value in this video, give it a like, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so that you are notified when